Timmy was out enjoying a ride when the most dreadful thing happened. Uh-oh is right, Timmy. A flat tire can ruin anybody's ride. But wait, Timmy took a Madman Mechanics course and knows exactly what to do. First, he flips the bike over so he can access the tire. Great job, Timmy! Next, he loosens the axle to take off the wheel. You may need a multi-tool if your bike doesn't have a quick release. Now Timmy loosens and removes the tire. This sometimes is a difficult step when only using your hands, and tire levers may be needed. Insert the lever under the tire and connect it to the spoke. Next, slide the second lever down the rim to unseat the bead of the tire. This too can be difficult if your tires are stubborn. Next, remove the tire and the old tube from the rim. Remember to properly dispose of your tube and not just leave it in the woods. Timmy! Now get your spare tube and place it around the rim. Don't forget to connect the nut on the valve stem. Then the next step is to put the tire back onto the rim. Sometimes it is easier to lay the wheel down. And with tight tires, you may need to use tire levers again. Just keep working around the rim until you are able to finally get the tire on. Fantastic job, Timmy! Now it is time to pump it up. The tires, that is. Once the tire is fully inflated, slap that bad boy back in. You're almost done. Make sure to reconnect your axle and to secure it tightly. Give the wheel a spin and now be on your way. Have a great day, Timmy.